Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ria Varsami and I'm a shamanic astrologer. Today I will be sharing with you astrological information about the upcoming new moon in Pisces that is happening on the 27th or the 28th of February depending on your time zone. So every time we have a new moon, it's marking the beginning of a new cycle. So it's bringing the energy that we will be working for the upcoming month. This particular new moon in Pisces is very special because not only we have the new moon in Pisces, but we have 5 planets total together with the moon in the energy of Pisces, and also an extra we have also the North Node in Pisces, so that makes 6 in the energy of Pisces. So under this new moon, everything is possible. The energy that is here is like everything is possible. You can create anything you want with this energy, and also the new moon is happening in the 9 degrees of Pisces. So this is not only an opening of a new cycle, but also it marks a very important closure because 9 is a karmic number and also is a number of closure. So I will be analyzing with more details everything about this new moon. So stay until the end of this video. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can support my work and I can continue making these videos for you guys. Also, I want to let you know this is the last call for my online Moon Magic course. This is a 3-month course that is starting just 2 days before the new moon in Pisces on the 26th of February. And we will be working together for 3-month cycles, 3 new moons and 3 full moons. So this is a course with pre-recorded material, so you don't have to show up on a Zoom session or a Zoom meeting. You will be receiving the content of the course approximately 2 days before every new moon and full moon, so you can do your practice on your own time and space. So you will learn everything about it. I also have a special video if you go to my website, so you can learn all the details about the course. And as I said, there are only last few spots left, so will be amazing to see you there. So let's start analyzing everything now. So as I said, the new moon is marking a beginning of a new cycle, right? So this new moon in Pisces is happening in the 9 degrees of Pisces. 9 is a karmic number, is a number of closure. And because we have all these planets, I said we have 5 planets in Pisces and the North Node, so 6 altogether. The energy of Pisces is amplified. Piscean energy, let's talk about it. What is the Piscean energy? Piscean energy connects a lot with the spirit world. If we want to think, let's say, of the 2 opposites, right, to understand that. So the opposite will be Taurus. Taurus is very much connected with earth, grounded energy. Of course, we have Capricorn, Virgo, and other earth signs. But now, when it goes to the other side, to the spiritual realm, the energy that is most connected to it is Piscean energy. That's why people, when they have lots of Piscean energy in their chart, they are very etheric, and also they're very connected with this spiritual realm. Piscean energy is connecting a lot with the dreams, the dream world, the unseen, our intuition, synchronicities, channeling, healing. All of this is Pisces. Also connects a lot with compassion, with trust, all this energy. So we have Saturn, Mercury, Neptune, the new moon together with the sun also in the energy of Pisces. So this is a very strong Piscean energy. So half of the planets are there in this energy. So that gives us an opportunity to really tap into our intuition, first of all, and also tap into this unseen world in our spiritual nature. So during this period, you might have a lot of dreams, lots of dreams. With all this Piscean energy, it's impossible to don't have vivid dreams or have these let's say prophetic dreams or some strong cleansing dreams, because there are many different categories of the dreams we are experiencing every night. But definitely with all this Piscean energy, number 1 you will be experiencing is dreams. The other thing you will be experiencing is strong emotions, because Pisces is a water sign and all the water signs are connected with our emotions. And now this new moon is a new moon, but it feels like will feel and feels already, because I'm recording this video just a week before, feels already like a full moon because of all these emotional things. And also it's very deep, right, when we connect with our emotions. Now, another important thing now, we have to understand this conjunction with North Node and Neptune, because this is something like we will not experience again in this lifetime. It's something unique. So the North Node represents our collective karmic destiny. And the Neptune is connected with our spirituality, is connecting with intuition, is actually the modern ruler of Pisces. So when these two are in conjunction, it's a lot of, let's say this, beautiful cosmic synchronicities, all these intuitive hits, all these, maybe we might remember things from past lives, we might have these deja vus. And of course, Neptune is a slow moving planet, has a very, very long cycle, approximately 165 years. So of course, in this lifetime, we are not going to have this experience again, to experience the North Node conjuncting Neptune. And the lunar nodes also have an 18-year cycle. Also, you have to think about that. So this is a unique, and they're actually in almost exact degrees. The North Node is 27, then Neptune is 28. So how this will materialize in our life? Because yeah, this sounds interesting, but how this will materialize? So, as I said, the number one about this is we're gonna feel this urge to connect with our purpose, what we're here to do. So this burning desire, I know I'm here to do something. I'm came here to earth to experience something, to do something, to all these things we come here to. So this is like a calling, a soul calling that will be rising with all these alignments. And this North Node and Neptune is already activated. It's been working with us already, but now, because this new moon is also in the same energy, it activates it, and now it's like making it very big. So you might receive these dreams that will guide you to your next step. Maybe you have these, as I said, prophetic dreams, very vivid dreams. Maybe you remember, you connect with these other dimensions, parallel realities, let's say, and also it can manifest in people coming up to your life. Soulmates. Soulmates not only means love partners, mean also friends, people you will collaborate. Beautiful situations will come. All of this, the universe is moving everything for us to just align us with our purpose. And I always say this in my videos, but maybe you never watched these videos. I talked about it, so I will say it again. So I always say that the purpose is not something that the God or someone out there wants for us to do. The soul purpose is something that we already decided before coming to earth, something that we chose at the soul level, and now we forgot, and now we're like, why I'm here? I don't remember anything. Right? Because we go through this tunnel, through this path to come here to earth, and we have this agreement to forget everything. So now we trying again to remember, which is very funny, right? If you think about it. But yeah, this also helps us a lot in that. It's a lot about destiny, purpose, a lot of this. So all the people that you will meet during this period, when Neptune is going to be in this conjunction with North Node, are going to be important for your soul purpose. Maybe they will help you. They will give you the next key. That can be an idea, that can be some action together, whatever, a collaboration. So this is what is happening. Now, another important thing is Mars ending its retrograde period. So Mars is an inner planet, and Mars, when it goes retrograde, is the time when our action is limited, is almost stopped. Things are not moving forward, and actually our decision making is blocked because of that. So Mars is a slow moving planet and goes in retrograde only every 2 years. So it has been in retrograde from the 6th of December, and it's gonna end the retrograde on the 24th of February. Mark this day. Just 4 days or 3 days, depending on your time zone, before the new moon. So of course, number one thing here is like to understand that, of course, when things were not moving forward during this time, it was because of that. And also, Mars retrograde wanted to teach us about our actions, why we take actions this way, why we're where we are now in our life, all these things. But this new moon does a trine with Mars. So not only Mars is not retrograde anymore, but now this energy of action is facilitated with this new moon. So things start moving forward, flowing. So now we are already can start taking action with this new moon, and also things can start materializing faster. If you thought like these 3 months you put so much effort on whatever project, whatever situation, and things were not moving forward, now from this new moon on, we're going to start see results. We're going to start seeing the seeds of your efforts materializing slowly but surely. So this is amazing. And of course, we're going to have just only few days, guys, with no retrograde. So literally from the 24th of February until the 2nd of March is this only week, pretty much, few days, that we're not going to have any planet in retrograde. From 24th of February to 2nd of March, just repeat it. From the 2nd of March, we have Venus going in retrograde. Again, Venus also is super important, is inner planet. And also when Venus goes in retrograde, is affecting us a lot because it's closer to the Earth. So we're going to feel a lot. And later on, also, if Venus was not enough, on the 15th of March, also Mercury goes retrograde, and we have also the beginning of the eclipse season from the 14th of March. So March is a very loaded month. In March is a lot of things happening. If you want to understand March, I will give you a visualization because my mind works a lot with visualizations. It can be like something really chaotic like this, and March, this energy of March comes to put all aspects of our life in line. But first we have to deal with all this chaos. It's a little bit like that. But yeah, definitely things are start moving forward from this new moon. And also because of this Piscean energy, we have a lot of this possibility, expansion. You might feel expansion, possibility is also a lot about creation, because the water, right, the feminine, the creation. So this creative energy is so strong now. A lot of creative energy, lots of creative energy, and also a lot of trust that whatever we want is going to materialize. So this new moon also brings these opportunities, or whatever we think, whatever we bring in our awareness, we can actually create it, materialize it. So it's a lot about this also. So it's very important to work with this energy during this time, to see what we want and give the right messages to the universe to bring it to us, let's say. And another last thing I want to say is about the moon that does a square with Jupiter. So the ancient ruler of Pisces is Jupiter, and Jupiter does a square, a difficult aspect with the moon. So even if we're moving forward, Jupiter wants to point us how we are limiting ourselves. We have to understand how many boxes we are putting our life into, and this Jupiter now with the square comes to really release all this and gives us more possibilities, more ways. But first we have to see all these boxes, because we have been taught a narrative since we're born. We have been taught like, okay, you go to school, university, you get a work, you get married, have children, work to get retirement and live your life. At your 65 years old, you start your life and then you die. So this narrative obviously is not the best. It's serving very much the system, but not serving the humans. So this also, Jupiter squaring the moon, is a lot about this. Like, okay, so we have to find new ways. We have to expand as a collective. And of course, Neptune and North Node, there's like, yes, in our personal life, it's going to be a lot of these things that I talk about. Also in the collective, it's going to be changes to align with the whole karmic destiny of the planet. So that's very interesting. Last thing also, Saturn and Mercury are also in Pisces. So this is also a lot about our way of thinking and a lot about all these lessons that we learned. So now we had the experience, we learned the lessons, and also we had this change of our mindset so we can move forward. So this is also something to consider in this new moon. And also these energies right now are really helping us to change our mindset, to expand and to move on onto a higher path. Let's put it this way. So that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work consciously with these energies and join us for the 3-month time, you can find all the information down in the description about the 3-month course. And thank you so much again, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.